How to fix and solve Instagram not receiving messages on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First go to Play Store or App Store and here type Instagram, and that's it. Now just make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here, and after that just go back and go to settings, then go to battery, and here you will find ultra power saving mode, and this one just enable it and then disable it and go back, try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Then restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.